Hi, I'm Tyler from Thinkware Customer Support, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Thinkware Dash Cam just in case you forget your Wi-Fi password. I have three cameras with me here today. First, the U1000, then the Q800 Pro, and the F200. Now first off, with the U1000, all you have to do to reset the device is hold down the record and audio record buttons for 5 seconds, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
System will restart.
Once you hear those 5 beeps, the system will start the process of restarting.
Continuous recording will now start.
When you hear the phrase, continuous recording will now start, your camera will be reset. Now moving on to the Q800 Pro, and keep in mind for this model camera, it also applies to the F800 and F800 Pro and QA100 Elite models. Now we'll just be holding down the middle silver button and the audio record button for again 5 to 7 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
System will restart. Continuous recording will now start.
All right, now moving on to the F200.
Connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
For this model, all you have to do is hold down the manual record and Wi-Fi buttons for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
System will restart.
Okay, and there you go. That's how you restart your Thinkware Dash Cam. Thanks for watching.